Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a surprise video. We chose Sunday. You guys spoke in the comment section and said we should keep it as a surprise no matter during the week or Saturday or Sunday. So here you guys have it. A couple of clips this week that we saved up for our surprise video. So we're talking about all kind of things. So enjoy the video and we'll see you on Monday.
We just got a bit of a anxiety attack because we were just sitting down in Wendy's and saying, oh my god, when we travel with the children,
Mommy,
how is this going to go?
it's up in the sky right there.
No,
It's up in the
just feeding them in the airport, feeding them on the plane. Like, it's just the airport part that's stressing me out. It's not the actual trip, but the airport part. And even though there will be 4 adults between me, you, Gio, Momo,
Joe's not
it's still like, you know,
over 18.
And don't forget, there's always
He's
a
an
50%
Asian dog,
chance that
he's
there's
not over
going to be some
18.
sort
no,
of
don't talk it. If you haven't figured out by now, we have actually booked our flights to go away. So we will be heading out before the end of the year. We will be flying out. So let me tell you something. I ain't ready. That experience, and every time, sometimes I'm going to sleep at night and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm going to have to change this one into a pull-up in for the night flight because it's a 4-hour. The second flight is a 4-hour flight. It's 2 flights.
On the plane, you think about
I
one day?
I thought about it. I'm like, oh my god, I hope the changing table in the back. No, sir. And then turbulence. And just dealing with their fears, you know, like, because it's the first time and sorry about that. And then there's this, like, how are we going to deal with all, all of the fights and the this and the who is doing what and stop it.
He's crossing his line.
Don't cross the line. Don't cross the line.
I'm not crossing a line.
Stay in your zone.
We're going to
Is
have
this
to
a line?
assign
I
This
have
is
to
the line.
cross it.
chaperones
Okay, good.
and groups.
Well, I had to.
So Gio is going to be a chaperone,
That's
I'll be a
the line.
chaperone.
No, but how I set it up is that Gio will have Jack, Momo will have Ozzy. No, I'm giving because you have to remember, you know, this is like one of Momo's. It's not her first time
to
flying.
break his leg.
Guys,
It's off.
Ozzy, stay by your line. Look, you can't cross this line.
No, mommy.
Okay, don't cross it.
Mommy, the way Atlas was throwing around Atlas's leg, it looked like he was spinning.
Atlas, is it such a big deal if he crosses the line? Stop it, you're gonna hurt him.
Mommy.
Here, don't pass this. Ozzy, don't pass this. As I was saying, the way I have it set up.
I can't even go. Oh my god.
Atlas is going to be with you, Wayne.
No problem. I
Can I
can
stay
manage
with
that.
Mom?
Me and Momo can have us and
Here with
everything.
you.
That's fine. I'll deal with
Oh,
I'll deal
yes,
with
I
that
would
last.
just go.
But yeah, it's going to be a big experience for everybody. We're just hoping that we can make it all happen and all come together. And we're just, y'all just gonna have to pray first when the time comes because
No.
Tami, you never tell me say I saw me look young and me shave down.
okay.
So no,
These
look
are
like,
my monies.
Wayne is the best at fishing for compliments. Have you guys figured that out yet?
No, but seriously though.
You do look young, honey.
Oh, this is the best. Stop. Like anything.
I'm face structure.
I prefer when you have the fish.
What am I doing?
You're pushing his head.
That's true.
I'm not.
Okay, you know I'm
Look
going
at,
to
no, look at the way his head is positioned.
Be my guest, honey. Be my guest.
Be my stress.
Stop it, guys. You know what?
All
I
right.
think we should drop them home.
We're going to get haircuts now.
Haircuts. Yeah, that we need to drop some of them home. This is too much. All right.
People see where I ask me, why you don't bring red, why you don't bring the...
This is
More
why.
time we have to wait name
This
this
is
pick
why.
and choose which one we carry.
And I think we'll pick wrong today.
Mommy, it's. Oh my god.
Where's the roof of the car?
Exactly, where did it go? Him car bust up.
I just see the man good convertible. I said the car bus up going on the roof. I said, no, I don't know these people. One of my awesome first cousins sent me an Instagram message telling me that you remember how I was talking how I wanted the robot vacuum?
Yeah.
Well, my love, she sent me one discount code there where this lady did an offer and I got it for like, I want to say 80% off. And she, yes, and she said,
wait. What are those ones that move automatically?
yes, it mop, it sweep, it vacuum.
Can you assure them thing that you read the customer reviews?
Yes, and it's a name brand one.
Okay.
And if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have gotten it. And I just saw a thing that said I need to send the invoice. And I was just like, Jesus. So big up to my first cousin was sending me that. Yeah, and here now all the kids can go to Colorado.
No, all the
So you
kids
remember
can.
I said one of them can't go if I buy that. So now everybody can go.
Yes. What you saying? What are you saying?
Say Colorado. Yay! Can you say Denver? Say Denver. Do we have any first cousins in Denver? I'm so curious to know. If we have any cousins in Colorado. Let us know. We have a brother and 3 cousins and a sister-in-law.
I don't know if I have my first cousin in Steamboat, Colorado.
Where?
Steamboat.
Somewhere named Steamboat?
Boulder, Colorado. New baby there, but see the real baby. I see what real baby. Don't worry. You still a lead here? Or sweetie? With our fries. Such a bouquet.
Watch the pen there. Wait, look at this crate that I can show everybody. It's actually a collapsible one.
Nice. I'm gonna leave the top open.
Yeah, so it stays nice and cool.
Ventilated. Nice.
Yeah, and then this can fold over, but it collapses.
Where it going base?
For now, we're gonna put it close to where Peppa is so that they can sniff each other, but be kind of separate.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the plan.
So you want me to move that? Is it going to be over this side?
On that side, right where that basket is, I want to move the basket.
Tami, what you whipping up?
Smash burgers.
Let's see what's up. Smash burgers?
Yeah.
This was good.
Yeah, they love this.
So what else is popping? I'm getting ready to go to rehearsals.
Not much. Yes, Ozzy?
So guys, I am getting ready to go to rehearsal right now. Yeah, your boy is a actor and theatre man and beer sitting, you know what I'm saying? So I've put in the work because the show starts in September. Stay tuned for more details. I'll let you guys know when you can get tickets and all of these things coming. No, my first cousin them are come out and watch me when the show open up. Me now ask. Alright, cool. As you guys know, the puppy is here, very comfortable and relaxed and doing the things. Them just carry him outside. Gia is not leaving the puppy side or Peppa side. Bear excitement. It's just bear love and bear warmth in the house. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So Gia, what's the update on the dog?
Well, so far we have 2 successful patches outside, no accidents inside so far. Excellent start.
Yeah, the dog fit in perfectly in the house.
Yeah man, him don't look like he's too distracted by the bagger. Nice too, so.
Must sleep there now?
No, he's up now. I'm just waiting for his food to cool down. I'm going to eat. I'm going to go back out. Hopefully get a doodle.
Yeah,
Back to nap time.
that is it.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a dog trainer that lives with us. Yes, baby.
Resident dog trainer and dog lover. Gia was about what, 5? Wait.
No, how old were you when Peppa came? Like 10?
Maybe 8.
Oh, I was trying to.
8 now.
Peppa's 8.
I was trying to give him the benefit of the doubt because, yeah, your boy eat dog food. So I don't know if for the dog food when they little, turn him into this dog enthusiast.
I did find him with dog food one time.
He was like, I just wanted to taste
I was
it.
like, no.
I was like, no.
And just began his love for dogs.
And there began his love for dogs. He's a dog man. If it was a Marvel movie, dog man, send for you.
Jinx, are you ready for it now?
Look! Dario, look!
Come and see.
Come look.
What's that? Come and see what's in here.
Doggy.
Yeah, but look what's in here.
Doggy.
A puppy.
I love you. Aww.
So sweet, right?
Yeah.
You can touch him.
Apollo.
Can you say Apollo?
Milo.
Isn't he soft?
She said Milo. She said Milo.
Oh.
Say hi, little guy.
I can't.
You can't reach him? I'll
Oh,
pick
okay,
him
we
up for
soon
you.
take him out. Okay?
I can't.
Okay.
Good morning. Especially for my MTM family. See, I'm back on the road. Yeah. And look what I found this morning. My most favorite thing to do. Yum, 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 yum. I love these blackberries. Show them, Terry. Look at these. I used to do this when I first came to England. Oh, loads of berries. Look. Vitamin C. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, prickle. So, I just wanted to say thank you for all your well wishes and for your love and for your concern, and it means a lot to me. Please continue. I love it. All right, I'm doing really well, so I'm gonna walk up the road so Terry can take me walking, and you can see I'm doing very well. And then you can shut down, Terry, whenever you're ready. Look. Bye.
So a few people were in the comment section saying, Professor Wayne, tell us why 9. You know, Tami name Apollo middle name is 9, and I was saying that 9 is a number that I revere, because if you really look at 9, no matter how much you multiply 9, you will always be able to find back the 9. 9 times 2, 18. 1 plus 8, come back to 9. 9 times 5, 45. 4 plus 5, come back to 9. And it goes on and on and on and on to infinity. If you want to try, that will stay true. So for me, it kind of represents creation in a sense where God has created every single thing, and you can find God in everything that He's created. You can't separate the creator from His creation. So in the same way how 9 can be, you can reduce any number that you multiply 9. No matter how much we multiply ourselves, no matter how much we recreate, you can always find a piece of God in us, His creations. And even significant numbers like even the sphere, the circle, how the earth round and stay 360 degrees, you reduce 360 and you get the same 9, right? The 3 and the 6 come back to the 9. 45 degrees. Everywhere you look, there is 90-degree angles, and just naturally through nature, that 9 is a thing that is a theme. 9 is like a completion. 9 is like completion. It's the highest single digit numeral, right? So every other number is created up from 0 to 9, and then every other number is built out from there. So 9 is the highest, the pinnacle, just like how God is the highest and the pinnacle. So I mean, there's so much more layers to it, but it's a family vlog, people. I'm not carrying you there. I don't want to bore you with this. Oh God, I love you, I love you, I love you. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to drop a comment, like the video, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. MTM Families on YouTube. Big up on yourself. Alright, peace.